How to see seconds on iPhone clock. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can see seconds on your iPhone clock. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is here you can find the clock app. Right there you can see the seconds moving, the second arm moving. So that's one way you can see it. Now the other way is you can add a clock widget. So let's go right here. Long press on your screen and you'll find the edit option on the top left. Tap on edit and tap on add widget. From here you'll find the clock option. Tap on clock, and from here you can find different clock icons which you can select. So you can see each of them have the clock hand icon, the seconds hand which is moving. Let's choose this one, tap on add widget, and you can then tap done. Now there you can see the clock hand moving, and that's the way you can see seconds on iPhone clock. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.